In one of my past videos about how to maintain and keep a Vespa as a non-mechanical person, we heard from my friend Matt at the Vespa dealership that one of the very best and easiest things you can do to maintain the health and life of your Vespa is simply keep it clean. So today I want to share with you 3 products that I have found that make for a really quick clean of your Vespa. Because if you're like me, you'd probably rather spend time riding it than cleaning it. So the very first thing I like to do is give my Vespa a just wipe down with a damp cloth. I work from top to bottom. This basically knocks off any of the bigger spots or the dirt that might have accumulated underneath. You want to work from top to bottom because it's probably cleanest on top. It gets dirtier as you go down. So I just use a damp microfiber cloth and just give it a quick wipe down. So the first product that I absolutely love is this. This is Wizard's Mist and Shine Professional Detailer. This was actually recommended by my local Vespa dealer. So this is a super easy thing to use, and you can use it on just about everything, particularly on the steel body and the paint. It really just leaves it with such a great shine. It also works well on your battery component cover and the treads on the bottom part, and even some of the parts around the wheels. It kind of works on just about anything that you want to use it on. So I use this primarily just to give it that nice clean shine, and I highly recommend this product. Wizard's Mist and Shine. I've been using it for a while and I love it. So product number 2 is specifically for the leather seat, and this is the Chemical Guys Leather Quick Detailer. It says it cleans, restores, and protects. So this is specifically for leather surfaces, and you want to make sure you keep your seat clean and protected for a long time. So Chemical Guys make some great stuff. This particular one is what I am going to use on my seat and also on my backrest. Finally, I'd like to address what I think has been one of the hardest areas to really clean and make look great on my Vespa, and that's my windshield. I see that a lot of products, they actually leave some streaking or some spotting on there, and that was sort of frustrating to me for a while. My husband had the brilliant idea to maybe try using something like an electronics cleaner or a screen cleaner like he uses for his phone or computers. So I have here electronics cleaner by Miracle Brands, and I have actually found these kinds of products to work best on windshields as well as the mirrors, and I usually hit the lights as well. So this works really well, maybe a little unexpected, but I really appreciate electronics type cleaners for the windshield in particular. As a bonus, this stuff works great to also clean your helmet, your face shield, and the sun visor in your helmet. So I love using electronics cleaner to clean my helmet. It really makes it super clear, and you don't see any streaking or smudges after you use it. So there you have it. Those are the 3 products that I love to use for a very quick clean for my Vespa. So again, that is Wizard's Mist and Shine Professional Detailer, the Chemical Guys Leather Quick Detailer. This stuff smells so good. It's got a good leather scent to it, so love this. And finally, my secret weapon, Miracle Brands Electronics Cleaner for all your screens. It also works great on chrome, your mirrors, and of course, the windshield is the main reason you use it. So what am I missing? What products have you found that you think work really well to get your Vespa clean? I would love to hear other recommendations, but what I love about this is it took me about half an hour, and I feel like I have Roxy here looking as good as new. So there are links below to these 3 products. If you want to check any of them out, please do that, and hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.